We call it our Fairytale house. From the day that we moved in, it was our Fairytale house. It's truly magical. Because we're up high in the mountains, out every window is greenery. It's gorgeous. You don't see your neighbours, you just see the beautiful native landscape. You see bird life, and we just feel like we live in a slice of heaven up here. I believe it was built originally in about 1908, 1909, so it's well over 100 years old now. It was a single level when it was first built, and a lot of the original features remain today. The brick pathway leading up to the house is the original fireplace relaid from over 100 years before. They've reused a lot of the weatherboards from the original house as well, and there's some gorgeous sash windows that remain with the lead lighting too. My favourite space in winter is the front living room, where we've got the library shelves. I love to curl up beside the fireplace with a book in hand, or sit in the bay window in there as the sun comes through in the mornings. It's really beautiful and calming. In the summertime, I really love being on the front veranda. We have lots of bird life that visit us all the time, and we sit on the hanging swing, which is just gorgeous, and the sun streams across the front veranda all morning until lunchtime, which is beautiful. The hub of the home for us is that kitchen family zone. I can be in the kitchen and watch my 5-year-old as she's playing in the lounge room. She can run outside into the back deck and I can see her out of the kitchen window in her cubby house, which is just lovely to have that connection. And when we wake up as a family in the main bedroom, the first thing we do is open up the blinds to see what the weather is outside. And you'll see the fog on the mountains in the winter time. We have spectacular views of Sherbrooke Forest and the mountain. So sometimes the whole mountain disappears from the fog, and other times in autumn you can just see the stunning orange and reds of the trees beyond. There's some beautiful features throughout this house that we really feel like we're custodians to. One of them is in the bathroom downstairs, is we have old heritage tram doors that enter into the bathroom. They're quite gorgeous and a little bit rustic too. The beautiful archways with the corbels are also another stunning feature, and just, really keeping in that beautiful heritage feel. We also recently built, a few years ago, a lovely garden studio cum study out the back in the backyard. And it's nice to be removed when you're actually doing some work from home, from the house, especially because I've got a little one. So she doesn't often know that I'm back there getting a lot of work done during the day or in the afternoon, or even in the evening if I need to catch up. So it's been a really nice addition for us and extended the house as well. It's going to be really hard for us to leave. We feel like it's been a character in our family. So it makes us a little bit emotional to leave, but I think it is our time. My daughter's made me promise that one day I might buy the house back for her to live in when she's older. So that's a promise I might like to keep, I think, but it will truly be a hard day to leave this beautiful house. It has meant a lot to us. I really believe, to own this house, you are a custodian of it. It has so much heart in the house and such a beautiful, lively soul with the animal wildlife and the echidnas in the back. I really want the next people that take on this house to look after it and really appreciate the beauty of the home itself.